Yes, sir. Welcome to Georgia, Atlanta, where the players play, baby.
What's up, everybody? So I am in Atlanta for EGGtoberfest. This is the 25th EGGtoberfest. It's put on by Big Green Egg every year. They took a 2-year break last year and the year before because of COVID, but they are back and stronger than ever. Outside of Atlanta, Georgia, so there's a private event going on today, like a VIP dinner, plus the big event where all the cook teams come out and are gonna throw down on all those grills that are spread out on the field tomorrow. So over 300 cook teams, a bunch of people, lots of guests. This is so cool. All right, so we are on Coolray Field. Big green eggs are set up all the way around. Man, this is gonna be an awesome event. This is super cool. All right, we've got Shannon, aka the Big Green Egg foodie over here. So Shannon, let's see what we got on the eggs here.
Yeah,
baby.
She has some smell-o-vision right now. And if you go to the big egg down there, there is a whole hog.
What? Let's see.
Ready?
All right, go
All
for
right,
it.
let's go. Holy cow, look at this thing. 2XL egg, a whole pig.
75 pounds.
75 pounds?
75 pounds. A beautiful pig.
With room to spare. Look at this. Wow. All right, got another star-studded team over here. Got the captain.
What's up, my chick?
What's going on, captain? What are we doing over here?
Oh, we're just making a little bruschetta for some bruschetta salmon later on this evening.
Bruschetta.
Yes.
I like it. And we got the one and only Tina, the winner. The winner of the Netflix show. Tina, how's it going? What are we doing?
It's going. I've got salmon and I'm using my seasoning on it, European brand. You can get that, TinaCannonCooks.com.
All right, we've got Sean of Indulge. Sean, what are we doing here?
We've got some spatchcock chickens that came frozen, but that's okay. We know what to do. So we cut them up, we're letting them thaw.
We're professionals.
We're professionals, we do. And so we're gonna season these up and we're gonna do chicken 2 ways. We're doing this in wine can chicken.
And we've got the second half of Indulge over here.
The better half.
Hello, the better half, okay. All right, so we've got Eddie here, Colo Barbecue, baby. Let's see what we got here.
Got some beef ribs.
Man, look at these.
Beautiful. Dinosaur ribs.
All right, so how are we cooking these?
Just some Big Green Egg rub. Stick them in there low and slow.
All right, really excited to meet this guy. Long time coming. Let's go, baby.
Oh, how you doing, brother?
Great, man. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you, buddy.
How's it going?
Good.
Good,
Really
good. All right, here we go. We got Mr. Chris. What are we doing?
We are seasoning up the Snake River Farms American Wagyu tri-tip. We're gonna quick cook this and get it ready for family meal before the fun starts, because we gotta feed the cooks first.
All right, Paul, what are we doing over here?
We got some beef back ribs from Snake River Farms. Some
Wrapping
Wagyu.
those up?
We're gonna wrap them up, hit them with some of the ancho chili coffee rub.
Just go in, put them on ice, and just go right back.
These are gonna go in the rack until they hit about 200, 202. So at this point they're sitting at about 170. Could take about another hour or so, and they'll be super cove tender. Go through like butter, we'll be eating good.
So that's kind of how this works. Everybody's here cooking. Gates open at 6, so we're gonna have all the food ready. And yeah, it should be a fun time. All right, we've got the newest member of VG Team Green, Mr. Craig.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on, man?
See you, man, cooks. We're just having fun.
Oh, Shannon's shredding some pork. Look at that.
Getting ready to deliver some pork over to the demo tent.
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing pulled pork sliders with pickles and potato buns.
Love it. Now it's all official. Got the shirt. All right, so we've got Mark here from Get Maine Lobster. I've worked with these guys in the past, but tell us a little bit about it.
Hey guys, so direct-to-consumer lobster and seafood, right from the dock, direct to your doorstep. So
it's delicious.
We have some awesome salmon that we brought in just for the 25th.
We did, yeah. We were showing that
EGGtoberfest.
before. It looks amazing.
Yeah, from Faroe Islands.
Yep. All right, so here's the salmon. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. All right, Get Maine Lobster, Faroe salmon.
Yes. Look at that color.
This is Mel's secret stash.
This is Mel's secret stash.
This guy's full of secrets.
Wherever Mel is, you can be sure
that's where I want to be. I want to be where this guy is.
So we got
yeah, it's just a pig over there hanging out.
Younglings, we got some Michelob, all of that.
Okay.
Pick.
Oh yeah.
Got some Snake River hidden in there, right? Like.
Oh yes.
Wherever Mel is, you better believe we'll find little corners for stuff like this everywhere. Mm-hmm. Burnt. Totally overcooked.
200, right?
Ooh. Yeah, not mad about that. Oh yeah. You guys got more pans, right? Because I'm taking this one with me. Ooh, look at that. So good. All right, place is starting to fill up. Lots of people. Let's go around and take a look what's going on. Crushing it.
Trying my best out here sweating like Betty Spaghetti. They look happy. Are they tasting official? Like a ref with a whistle. You already know. Flavor packing, never lacking. Let's get it cracking. Come on now.
The color on this pig is great. Look at this thing.
Looks like me after a weekend at the beach.
Look at this.
I got you. Good to see you. Good. Got some good barbecue, baby.
How you doing?
We're getting towards the end here. We have a fresh wrap.
Let's go.
That's it, baby.
Look at that. Saucy, bossy, and glossy. Nice and juicy. Enjoy it, man.
Enough said.
Ooh, look at these.
It was. Now it's a scope.
Flavor packing, never lacking.
Never ever, baby.
Delicious.
Oh, beautiful bite. I like that.
This is so exciting right now. Oh, the reveal.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's hot, huh? Yeah, Walmart 3.5, Kroger's 2.5.
This is getting wild up here. We're in the back of this pickup truck. Where we
are.
going?
We are in Atlanta, Buford to be exact, and we are on the way to Walmart. Actually, Kroger.
Kroger.
Yes, we're on our way to Kroger.
You can see the wheels turning.
I was trying to figure it out because when we first started this journey, we were going to Walmart, which is 12 minutes away, but we're actually going to Kroger, which is 6 minutes away. Let's go. Yes, sir. Welcome to Georgia, Atlanta, where the players play, baby.
I see what people sit in the back of a truck. It's like, this is living right here.
All right, so we made it to Kroger out here in the ATL. Boom, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
No injectors.
If they do, it's more likely to be a cheap disposable turkey injector with the automatic, like
She knows that too, though.
You know a lot
That's what
about
I'm saying, but
injectors,
I'm saying we probably shouldn't look here.
All right, so we are back at it. Today's the main event, Saturday, EGGtoberfest. Last night was pretty fun, pretty long, but I'm feeling good, rested. Got a bunch of coffee in me, so yeah, we're gonna have a blast today. Got this star-studded crew.
Here we go. Here we go.
Let's go, Shannon. Hi. Good morning. How are we feeling today?
Like I got beat up yesterday?
Hey, there we go. That's a good sign right there. These guys are throwing down. Look at that. Meat mornings. Holy cow.
We got fillets on fillets on fillets on fillets.
What's going on, baby? It's a beautiful day out here in Georgia. We're going to make it happen. EGGtoberfest. Let's go.
Do it. All right, got breakfast courtesy of Mel. What we got here? Look at that, baby.
What's the internal temp on that? 88 degrees?
Maybe. Maybe.
Did we get a shot of that color?
Yeah, let's pick it up. Let's see.
Pretty in pink, folks. He knows what he's doing.
He's done it before. Look at this. Stuffed pork tenderloins. Pork loins.
Pork loins.
Yeah, pork loins. Look at that. A killer presentation on these cedar planks. Man. He's a culinary genius, this guy over here. Getting that shot, baby. That guy knows what he's doing.
What's up, baby? What's up, baby? EggFest 2022. We out here, baby. Dark side of the grill doing what he does best.
You rotisserie putting in work. Look at that. Gonna go see the boys about those tacos they've been doing. That's the ingredients that we bought at Kroger yesterday. So yeah, let's see how they did. I'm ready.
Got some tortillas coming out, and we're going to get some tacos.
Yeah.
Butter night shouty, baby. That's how we do.
There you are. Thank you. Enjoy.
That's that SoCal style taco right here, baby.
You ready for the pool?
Those were delicious. Those SoCal flavors, oh man, so good. And this guy always draws a crowd. Look at that.
Look at his mouth.
Yeah, it's got it. Oh, nice. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, yes. There we go.
Little Canada and US infusion. We just want you guys to get back our Stanley Cup, eh?
Yeah, these are super popular though. Yeah, wrapped in bacon, right?
Yep. Wrapped in bacon, glaze them up. Fantastic.
All right, so what do we have here?
This is a low country foil skewer with andouille sausage, wild caught American shrimp, and a potato.
Check this thing out. It's this kind of pizza port accessory. It goes in between the bottom and the top of the egg, and you get this door inside where you can slide your pizza in. So cool.
We close off the top, and that traps all the heat in the dome. And when you have that dome super hot, it's the engine that balances the heat on the bottom.
Hit it heavy, hit it hard. The braiding is the hardest part.
That's a professional move right there. Professional.
Oh, look at that. Refreshing.
You're awesome.
Glistening in green.
Here is breathing in the scent of heaven that is descended to us from this gentleman's skill.
Oh my goodness. I couldn't have said it better. I could not have said it better. And I swallow. I swallow too.
Dude, so we're gonna take this whole hog, wheel it down to the stage, the band's playing, all these. What is going on here, Mal? What is going on?
Woo! Let's get it, come on now! Hey!
What's up, man? How you doing, bro? What's up? Oh my! Hello.
So we're going to cut the skin over the back. We're going to open a window into it. I can pull the loins out right away, and then from there on we'll just start pulling.
Let's see that window.
You ready for it?
All right. So what are you doing right now?
I'm opening the window.
EGGtoberfest!
Yes!
Right? Live in the flesh, piggy going down, baby.
Boom, whole hog is shredded. It's done. How we feeling, Mal?
Oh, beautiful, buddy, beautiful.
Turned out awesome, right?
Hey, buddy, that bourbon's gonna taste good tonight.
Grilling with Dad, baby, man. Let's go. We're out here in Georgia. We just wrapped up the event. It was a beautiful event. Tons of things going on. Barbecue loving people. You can't hate on it, man. We're all here with the same passion. That's why we do it. Cheers to you, brother. Thanks for everything that you do.
All right, EGGtoberfest is finished. Boys are beat. They're pooped. They crushed it. Crushed it. So we're gonna go back to the hotel, change up, put on some clean clothes, and hit up the local Red Lobster because that's the place to be, baby.